Hi, my name is Jenny Omann and I am a senior at Creighton University studying biology and environmental science. Plants are my favorite thing, and I get to talk to you about some of my favorites, which are cycads. They're really cool plants that produce cones that look kind of like a pine cone, but the tree looks more like a palm tree, but with lots of extra spikes. If you ask most people, they'll tell you that flowering plants are the main group of plants that use animals to pollinate them. But that's not true. So do cycads. I get to tell you about what pollinates them, and that is bugs. And the wind too, but mostly bugs. Specifically, beetles, butterflies, and thrips. I'm not old enough to tell you exactly what pollinated them in the Cretaceous period, but I can tell you about the ones we have now. Some of the cycads form really close relationships with only one type of insect, and some of them are pollinated by multiple different types of insect. Cycads are really cool because their cones and leaves are poisonous. There are different chemicals in them that would make a person really sick. But some insects can eat it just fine. They store up poison in their body and it doesn't hurt them. But if something eats them, that animal gets really sick and decide that this insect is bad to eat. So the plant gets pollinated and the insect gets food and chemical defenses against predators. It's a win-win for both the cycad and the beetle or other insects. So most cycads are pollinated by insects, but their seeds are carried by all sorts of things. A small cycad that grows in the canopy of the rainforest gets its seeds dispersed by a small tree-dwelling mammal called a northern olingo, which is a member of the raccoon family. Other common seed dispersers for cycads are rodents, marsupials, and birds. My personal favorite cycad seed disperser is the peccary. Cycads have a complex relationships with animals, both for pollinating and for seed dispersal, which is a fairly new discovery for plant scientists. Much more research is still being done about this group of plants, especially because global warming threatens the habitats that they live in. We in Omaha are very lucky. There are many different types of cycads here at Lauritzen Gardens.